Hey everybody, welcome back to another 2007 Ford Ranger Sport video. Well, this week I'm going to try to do something about these headlights. Stay tuned. I think I'm going to spend a little time trying to buff those out. Not going to spend too awful long because these are really cheap to buy, but maybe I can make them look a little better in the meantime. So got some McGuire's 105, a 3-inch random orbital. In all actuality, I should probably color sand those first, or wet sand them I should say, but yeah, we'll see. Let me give these a try. Yeah, as I suspected, the polish alone didn't really do much, so I've got a piece of 2000 grit sandpaper and some water. Just gonna give these a quick polish. And then I'll move on to some sanding. Then probably call it done. Yeah, all right, let me do this. I'll bring you back. After the sanding and a quick polish, they're better, but they are not perfect. The plastic seems to be degraded on the inside of the lens. The outside is smooth, but you can kind of see it's still got some hazing right there, so it's better until I can get another set. So I'll just do this one to match. And then we'll move on to the next project. That side's all done. Far from perfect, but it's better for now, like I said. So now I'm gonna move on to this. I'm gonna kind of sand the edges around this, shoot it with some Plasti Dip. Then I've got some decals to put over top of this. And I didn't buy those decals. Actually, I got them, they were sent to me. They were incorrect decals. I had my 02 Ranger and they sent this larger size, and I just held on to them for the last couple of years, so I'm glad I did. So I'm gonna do Plasti Dip around here, just because I don't want to see this kind of chrome strip around it. And then we'll just apply the decals and it'll be done. A quick prep on this, and I lied. I'm not gonna do Plasti Dip, I'm gonna do Auto Dip, because this is what I have hanging around. This is much more expensive and glossy, but that's okay. You're just gonna see the ring around it. So this is what I have and this is what I'm gonna use. While I'm waiting for the front to dry, I'm gonna work on the rear. There's the two overlays right there. The rear is in much better shape. The blue has all come off, so I've got some Windex. I'm just gonna clean it. Yeah, see all the blue paint's coming off. I'll let it dry. And I'll put the overlay over it. Not a perfect solution, but it's what I have right now, and it's not gonna cost anything. So first we'll do the black, then the red over top. Well, from about 6 feet away, that looks okay. But once you get up close, it looks like crap. I can't do anything about it. The emblem underneath is just too far. It's just too far gone. The plastic is bubbled and full of, you know, imperfections. So this will just be a very, very temporary solution until I can pick up some new badges. I'm not gonna mess around. I'm just gonna get some new badges. And at least that didn't cost me anything. Back here at the front, once that dries, I'm not gonna put the decal on it. I'm just gonna leave it. Again, I'm gonna replace this. You can see the badge underneath is just too far gone. I tried to sand it, but you can't sand plastic with like a plastic coating over top. It just didn't work out. So I'm not even gonna put the decal on this one. So at least it looks better from a distance. I kind of like it all black. So, all right, let me get the tape off. And the last thing I'm gonna do today is I got some ceramic coating, and I'm gonna put it on the plastic, restore that. This This is pretty permanent, and this works way better than like the Back to Black or Armor All or anything else like that you could use. So, and as far as this brand, it's, I don't know, some inexpensive brand I got on Amazon a long time ago. The bottle's almost empty. So I'll do half and I'll show you what it looks like. Got this side done. You can see that side compared to that side, big difference. And I think any inexpensive ceramic coating will work. Like I said, I've had this for a while, got it on Amazon. I'm sure you can easily find it. I don't have a link for it, but I want to say maybe it was like less than 20 bucks. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this other side down here. It's clean. I cleaned it earlier, I scrubbed it, but it's just faded from the sun. So this pretty much permanently restores it. Let me finish. And that's gonna do it for this week's video. Made a little progress, not as much as I would have liked. I guess there's really no restoring those lights, so I'll replace those as well as the emblems, but they're not super pressing issues at this point. I did start to buff on this hood last night and it looks okay. It is definitely not perfect. So I think repainting the hood and the roof and probably this front grille, just because of the chips, will definitely be in the near future. So that won't be any problem. So I guess that'll do it for one more installment. Let me know if you have any questions. No links for this week's video. Like I said, all those products were pretty old. Those decals for years ago, probably even 3 years ago, so I wouldn't even know where to get them at this point. I think you can find them on eBay or Amazon maybe. All right, welcome back. Well, Ranger is going to be treated to some new lenses for the headlights, the turn signals, and even the fog lights. And you may notice these are actually smoked. I think they're going to go a lot better with the black truck. I'm also going to install this these LED headlights that I've had laying around. They're cheap. I'll just run them until maybe I find something better. I don't have LEDs for the fogs or for the turns or for those lights right there, but that's okay. I'll just reuse what I have. So first and foremost, let's replace the headlights. You're probably aware these are pretty easy to remove, so let's get them out of the truck. Back here at the truck, you can see these are the old ones. They're also aftermarket. They're pretty hazy. See, they're aftermarket because they're a Vistion brand. So I don't know how old these are, but these are really not expensive, and I tried to clean them up, as you probably would have seen already in another video, but they're ready for replacement. And mainly, I don't like the fact that they don't blend with the front end. With this being an all black truck, black with black wheels, I went with the tinted. So really simple to remove these. You just pull up on these tabs, got one here and one here, pull the light out, unhook it, undo this, and put the new one in. Let's get going. All right, I spent probably 50 minutes screwing around with this, trying to get it to fit properly, but of course, that's what you get when you buy cheap Chinese crap. But anyway, the lens itself fit okay. It was the LED that didn't fit. So I just put the incandescent bulb back in there for now. So I'm gonna change out the last 3 before it gets dark. Okay, an update on the headlights. Well, I looked in the box and found that it came with its own retaining rings, which actually fit these cheapy aftermarket LEDs. So that went on no problem. Now I just need to plug it in, put the headlight back in place, and do the other one. Well, I'm glad I looked in the box before I threw it away. Those retaining rings were loose and floating around on the bottom under the styrofoam, so yay, much better. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do that one before it gets dark. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. And as always, we'll catch you on the flip side.